Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new course onto your SoloLearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SoloLearn app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't already logged in, you may proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the Learn page, from which you will directly be taken to your currently selected course. Now just click on the drop-down button alongside your current course at the top, and you will now see all of your courses that you have added within your app. You can click on Discover All Courses and you will now see all of the courses that you can add within the application right away. Go ahead and click on any course that you wish to add, and now you will be taken inside the course right away. You can start to learn this course by clicking on the Learn button, and now when you click on the drop-down menu at the top, you will see all of your courses that you have added at the top section. You can add as many courses as you want through the Discover Courses section, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to add new courses onto your SoloLearn account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.